Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your hardware wallet backup sheet using safekeeping rules, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering your hardware wallet backup sheet and a safe, secure location for storage. Ensure that your workspace is clean and free from distractions. Review the contents of your hardware wallet backup sheet thoroughly. Identify any critical information that needs to be protected. Choose a method for physical backup, such as a fireproof safe or a safety deposit box. Consider using a reputable writing tool, such as a permanent marker, to copy your backup sheet. Carefully transcribe the information onto a new piece of paper if needed. Avoid digital backups to minimize the risk of online exposure or hacking. Once you've completed the transcribing, double-check for accuracy. Store the newly created backup sheet in your chosen safe location. If using a fireproof safe, ensure it is securely locked. Label your backup storage discreetly to avoid drawing attention. Consider keeping multiple copies in separate locations for added security. Remember to inform a trusted individual about the existence of these backups without disclosing sensitive details. Review your backup storage and methods periodically to ensure continued security and validity. Ensure that both the original and the backup sheets remain in pristine condition. Stay aware of potential risks, including environmental threats and unauthorized access. Adapt your safekeeping strategies as necessary, especially if your situation changes. Always prioritize privacy and security in every step of this process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.